असल बात ये है that it left a print. It's imprinted on I think one of the strong dramas in the industry. It's left a legacy. I think it has actually connected with women, changed lives, outlooks. So बहुत सबसे जरूरी
Somebody
चीज
asked me
हुई
this,
है.
how does it feel when you were younger? Kashyap became a role model and now you've got Zeba. I was like, it's the best thing that could happen. This is what I want. This is the kind of work I want to do.
Yeah.
Which I've always said, and I think मैं ही इसको अपने अल्फाज से मैनिफेस्ट खुद ही कर लेती हूँ. जैसे किसी ने डिजिटेल से निकाला था, मेरा कैंस का कोई कमेंट था कि where do you see yourself in the next 7 to 10 years? I said, I hope to see myself somewhere in Cannes with a film. Film नहीं गई, but I went there. So I really want to use the work that I do as a medium to connect to people. हर ड्रामे में हम लोग आप अपने शो पे भी डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्या हर ड्रामे में मैसेज होना ज़रूरी है? नहीं, एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो सकता है, बट मैंने देख लिया आप लोग एंटरटेनमेंट वाले ड्रामों को किस तरह रिसीव करते हैं. तो
नहीं, वो एंटरटेनमेंट अगर रिस्पॉन्सिबल तरीके से दी जाए तो नहीं करेंगे ऐसे.
ठीक है,
लेकिन एंटरटेनमेंट का जो लेवल हमें दिया जा रहा है उसमें
बट बहुत पॉपुलर ड्रामास जो चल रहे हैं आजकल उसमें कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है.
डू यू थिंक कि हर पॉपुलर चीज रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है या अच्छी होती है?
नहीं, बट होनी चाहिए. मैसेज जरूरी नहीं है, बट कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
एब्सोल्युटली. स्पेशली
व्हेन देयर आर वेरी सीरियस ingrained bad habits or क्या कहेंगे, टॉक्सिसिटी
बात ही है.
हाँ, उसको ब्रेक करना, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी डेंजरस प्रॉब्लम एंड सबकॉन्शियसली ही इनग्रेन्ड रहता है. तो अगर आप उसको दिखा के सेलिब्रेट करते रहोगे तो वो मसला हल नहीं होगा. फिर वो सेलिब्रेट ही होता रहेगा,
रीइंफोर्स होता रहेगा,
रीइंफोर्स ही होता रहेगा. एब्सोल्युटली. सो I'm happy to do message-based dramas. I really appreciate the response, and my heart just bursts with empathy and love and warmth when I see people writing in to be like, इस character की वजह से मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में ये चेंज लाई, या इस कैरेक्टर की वजह से मैंने अपना आप देखा, अपना आप ढूंढा, अपना सच ढूंढा, एक हल निकाला अपनी जिंदगी के लिए. That's, I think, one of the small purposes that I have in this life.
Right.
You know, through art and one's work as an artist, if you can move people and change their perspective or help them or hold a hand through something, then I'm happy. So I hope to do more work like that.
And you're working with a lot of your favorites. Umaira Ahmed again and again, बार-बार. मेरे ख्याल है you're probably the first choice in
Umaira Ahmed. मैंने Umaira Ahmed के दाम.
But you're very selective in the work you've done as well. Also Mehreen Jabbar.
Also Mehreen. I mean, Jabbar. I don't work in the summer. I have sworn कि मैं.
And yet you are working in.
And then Mehreen said, "I'm coming. You're doing this." And I said, "What?"
So tell me about the next one.
With Imad, and I said,
with Imad,
but will people?
Hopefully, Imad is not going to be a Jami.
No, they hate him and us, and they don't. Should Imad and I come together? Will it break that? And I was like, will it break what? Bichara, he's the most hated person right now. You know, maybe it would be nice for him to.
Two back-to-back negative roles
and he needed also a positive role now. So I was like, acha, Mehreen kari hai, and sorry, Komal Mir is doing it. Amazing artist. I mean, she never forgets a line or fumbles or anything. I'm like, oh. Mehreen is like, I was like, Mehreen, it's not age. It's just, it's good focus she has. That she does it really well. It's no Kafil.
Do we have a working title so far?
Gul Bahar is what it's called. May or may not be changed.
ठीक है.
But
it's you and Imad Irfani.
It's me and Imad Irfani and Komal. It's 3.
And Komal. Okay.
So it's
an urban story.
It's an urban story. It's a totally urban story. It's a very common situation that happens in many households, and it's how it's Mehreen's take on how we navigate through that situation. Message heavy nahi hai, but people will see themselves in a lot of situations.
Responsible to hoga hi na.
हाँ, responsible to hai. थोड़ा मसाला वाला है.
मसाले वाला. हाँ. अच्छा है.
There's a little bit of that in this. It's not that realistic and depressing. It's kind of masaledar, but Marine Jabbar style. So
हाँ ठीक है. Even Dr. Bahu is masaledar.
Dr. Bahu, yeah.
I mean, even Dr. Bahu is masaledar.
Yeah.
And even Zindagi Gulzar Hai was masaledar. It was. Of course it was.
Because of the romantic angle.
Of course it was. Yeah. Masala tha. Masala tha. Masala absolutely tha.
Yeah.
So that's something to look forward to. Do we know what's happening with Shandur?
No.
Now that the pink shirt has come up on a platform called Begin Watch.
Will it go to Begin? Will they sell it to Begin? Will they air?
Because वो भी मसालेदार है.
Shandur is great. Shandur is an instant hit.
Exactly.
Because it's just a feel-good romantic drama. It's got beautiful frames. It's got,
I mean,
cheesy romantic
दे दें यार हमें.
It's just, it's got Fawad playing polo. He's a polo player in Shandur. People will love that. It's got the angry young journalist who just doesn't give a two hoots about him. But how they nok joke. And
in Gilgit and on those beautiful valleys.
In the mountains, in the valleys. So it's just such a feel-good show.
दे दें भैया. I mean, let's appeal to them. Please. Give it
अभी I have to speak to Misbah again. I was like, screening तो कर दो, हम लोग तो देख लें.
हम तो देख लें, हाँ.
Because it's ready. It's just a matter of the right time. And the other one is hopefully, fingers crossed next year. Hopefully.
You think so?
I think so.
जो बचे हैं संग
I think up आएगा. Otherwise, it'll have to be shelved. When it can't be shelved, it's too expensive to be shelved. So I think hopefully next year.
On Netflix.
Yeah.
So there's a big conversation that because Netflix, we fall under the region that is...
But this was never under that region.
It was under the Middle East region.
And global.
Global, right. It was never under the South Asian...
No.
Middle East and South Asia.
No, it was always the global one, but there was always a confusion. Okay, there are some team members or are they not? I don't know what that was. But I think they're just clarifying that it was always the global team.
Right.
So it's got nothing to do with anyone.
Okay, so there's no politics underhand.
It was always going to be a world over release, not just a regional.
Any idea कि क्यों फिर delays हो रहे हैं? No idea.
Rumors बहुत है कि वो खुश नहीं थे तो ये हो रहा है तो वो shoot नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It was all.
But you're satisfied with your shoot and with
I haven't seen anything.
Right. No, but with your script, with your.
I'm very scared because I think the most difficult, the most challenging role was mine. But Azan Sami Khan's sweetheart, he said he saw something and he said it was great. So I said, okay, I'll go with that. I hope.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I speak to Manahil, who's Momana's daughter, who's our everything on set there. And she's seen the whole thing. She said, man, it's just got something for everyone. You can't say who's done best or because it appeals to everyone and everyone is so excited to see the Jodis.
Look at that list of...
Look at that list and everyone's dynamic and everyone's like, she said, one track that I really didn't think would be so popular amongst the other tracks, but it just does because so-and-so's performance is just so gripping. You can't help but just watch them and that tension between them and the other characters, the way they're just so bubbly and the other character, the way it's so sensual. And then you guys who are so on the global side, were the very non-Desi couple. So there's a little bit of everything for everyone. So
you were the Italian, right?
Yeah.